Learn Belarusian. Can you, equals.
Ці ви можете.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, bienvenue, kidding, we're in English. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today your superpower phrase is can you, which in Belarusian is.
Ці ви можете.
Repeat after me like a polite superhero. Bonus laugh. A robot boots up and only says.
Ці ви можете.
To ask for more battery. Polite robot, fully charge. Your goal today. Master one polite opener and plug in useful verbs. You'll sound kind, clear, and confident. Core opener.
Ці ви можете.
Equals can you. Add an infinitive. To help. To open. To show. Extra polite spice.
Коли ласка.
Equals please. Softer variant, like could you. Question mark closing parenthesis colon.
Ці ви не могли б.
Mini dialogues. Act it out with me, you're the polite hero in Minsk. Ready? You.
Ці ви можете допомогти.
Local. Of course, what's up? You.
Ці ви можете відкрити окно, коли ласка.
Local. Fresh air coming right up. You.
Ці ви можете показати мені дорогу.
Local. Sure, go straight and turn left at the cafe. Rhyme and rhythm. Lock it in your memory with a tiny jingle. When you need aid in a space, say.
Ці ви можете.
With a friendly face. Music loop. CVY Moza CE. CVY Moza CE. Rapid drills. Call and response. Say it out loud before I reveal the answer. Situation. Ask someone to help. Your turn. Answer.
Ці ви можете допомогти.
Situation. Ask to open the window. Your turn. Answer.
Ці ви можете відкрити окно.
Situation. Ask to show you the way. Your turn. Answer.
Ці ви можете показати мені дорогу.
Culture tip. Sound extra natural and polite. Belarusians appreciate kindness. Start with.
Ці ви можете.
Add.
Коли ласка.
And smile. For extra soft requests, like to a stranger, use.
Ці ви не могли б.
Quiz time. Lightning round. Answer before the reveal. Q1. How do you politely start a request in Belarusian? Hint. Wrap with tags. A1.
Ці ви можете.
Q2. Which is the softer variant, like could you? A.
Ці ви можете.
B.
Ці ви не могли б.
A2. B. Q3. Fill the verb. Can you show me the way?
Ці ви можете мені дорогу.
A3. Memory hacks. Make it unforgettable. Mnemonic. CVM. CVY Mozachi equals.
Ці ви можете.
Loci trick. Imagine your front door with a glowing sign.
Ці ви можете.
Friendly glitch. Moza CE, fixed by a smile. Challenge. 2 mini missions, go for it. Record yourself saying.
Ці ви можете допомогти. Ці ви можете відкрити окно. Ці ви можете показати мені дорогу.
Try the polite variant once today.
Ці ви не могли б.
Plus your verb and add.
Коли ласка.
Goodbye and next steps. You crushed it, high five through the headphones. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Ці ви можете.
In real life, stay polite with.
Коли ласка.
And come back for more. For extra exercises, transcripts, and resources, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.